Alrighty folks, today we're going to be moving some dirt. Need some topsoil in my yard, so we're going to skim a thin layer of this off so we can haul it up. Haul it up to the house and spread it out so maybe I can get some grass growing. I'm tired of my yard being all muddy. We just want some grass to grow, so we're going to steal some topsoil. This is kind of the back side of the pond. I got to fix a ditch back here. I want all this over here to dry out. And the problem is, water runs down the road and then cuts across right on the other side of my property line. So I got to talk to my neighbor, find out from him if he don't mind. I gotta get down here and clean all this other junk up too. But right now, I'm just worried about that end of the pond. I'm probably all these trees will eventually come out too. Because about right here is where the water line will be when it's all said and done. Somewhere in here, I got some flags. I've got setting the laser level up. I'm gonna mark it, but I'm thinking it was right in here. And the property line is about right in here somewhere. But the problem is, I know the sun's right in the way right now, but the problem is this ditch comes down from the road and then runs across. And then it runs all the way over here to the base of the hill, and then keeps all this ground over here against the hill saturated. So we're going to take all these trees out and clean all this up, and then we're going to have to pull some dirt out so you can see right here. Right there under that brush, and it just flows around through here. Keeps all this pretty wet. It's pretty dry right now. A lot drier than I thought it would be. But then it runs around that way. All the way over in the road. Basically a swamp when it's wet. Can't do nothing with it. Of course, all this it'll all eventually be underwater, but for now I want to get the water controlled to where I can get all this dirt out of here, get it dried out, get the excavator over here and get it out. Of course, we got a huge brush pile we got to burn sometime. A lot of work. We're gonna get it done one of these days. There'll probably be a lot of videos about this pond because for the most part of the summer I'll be down here working. I got another job coming up. I got 3 acres I gotta go clear. I gotta tear down a house and clean up a bunch of scrap metal. But I don't know when that'll be. I really need to be working on it now and not working on the pond, but I want my pond done. So here I am. Well, as you can tell, there's just a very thin layer of what I would consider good dirt. So that's why we're just kind of raking the top. Because I want some grass to actually grow in my yard. I don't want just a bunch of more mud. So we're just getting just the top couple of inches of good black dirt is all we're getting. Set you outside and we'll see how she dumps. It's gonna be the first test run since we put the new bed on it. See if we can even unlatch it, I don't know. Oh yeah, no problem. I'll put these chains on there for when we're hauling gravel so I can spread it, hopefully. Oh man, that was in there. Oh yeah. Yeah, see, I want some actual latches because that'll get old real quick having to get out to do that. This is what we're trying to fix right here. This is right out my back door. All this needs some topsoil put on it. This was all trees here. That's the reason it looks like this. I took out all them trees stacked up back there that we're working on sawing. They was all right here. I mean, this was nothing but tree. And I took them all out last year so we could have a little elbow room. that. I think we got time for one more load, maybe, if we're lucky. We'll see what we can do. And there we go. 2 loads of good topsoil. I think I already get mainly this right here I'm worried about. All that out there I'm not too worried about right now because I got to pull some more dirt. When I build my lean-to, I got to pull some dirt and build a retaining wall right there. I should have built my shop higher, but at the time I didn't have a dump truck. I was moving all my dirt. My Dodge is got a dump bed on it, but you can't really move much dirt with it. And I was kind of on a time crunch. Didn't have time to get any more than that, so that's where it ended up. So of course all this is, I don't know, back there on that back corner it's about 8 foot higher, I think. Don't look like it, but it is about 8 foot. All right, so we're gonna get this dirt spread out. Try to make it look halfway decent back here. Maybe still gotta go buy some grass seed and fertilizer, but we're gonna get the dirt spread out, and I'll probably go get the grass seed fertilizer tomorrow. And it's got rain coming in, so hopefully we can get the grass planted and the fertilizer down before it rains on it. So either way, we're gonna get this knocked out real quick. kids' shoes in the way. Yep, there she is for now. I've got to get, I don't know, 3 or 4 more loads up here. Probably more than that. But right now I'm kind of only worried about this section here. I ain't worried about none of that out there. Because I got to pull more dirt out beside the shop. Anyways. I just want this area here growing grass. Got some sticks, some roots to get out of this, but it'll be fine for now. But if you followed me this long, I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give me a big thumbs up if you like the video. And we'll see you on the next one.